Hello, my dear students of Beacon High School. As you all know, we are celebrating 15th August, one of the most memorable day in Indian history. After independence, India became the largest democracy in world. Independence Day, 15th August, is a reminder of all the sacrifice our freedom fighter made for our country future. For India, August 15 is a day of her rebirth in a new beginning. On this occasion, let's make a national flower lotus in tricolor. Requirement we need is three colorful papers, green, white and orange, then scale, scissors, pencil and Fevicol. After that, with the help of scissor and scale, you are going to cut a strip of orange color first, and the measurement will be 30 by 16 centimeter. Then white color paper, you are going to cut 30 by 14 centimeter. Then green color, you are going to cut 30 by 12 centimeter. The same way, you are going to cut the squares of white color 11 centimeter, 4 squares. Then orange square, you are going to cut 4 square of 9 centimeter. Then again small square of 6 centimeter, orange color, 4 squares. First take orange color paper, which is of 30 by 16 centimeter. Then you are going to fold it in the center in this way. While folding, please check the corners. Your folding should be very correct, and then press with the hand or fingers. You will get a center line. After getting a center line, the downside part, it will go to the center line, and you are going to fold it, press it. You will get this line. The same way, you are going to fold the downside part, press it. Again you will get this line. This folding you are going to do as we are doing for the fan. The same way now you will, this side also the same, you are going to fold it this way. This folding is very important, as you are going to do for the orange color. The same you are going to do for the white and for the green. So please be careful. Now open this one. Now this fold, downside fold, you are going to take it here upside. So first we will mark all the folds, and then we will start the fan folding, up and down, up and down. The same way this fold, now you are getting these folds. Now small folds we are going to create by this one. Now this is the first fold. Then second, down you will come. Then up again. The same how we are folding for the fan. Full orange color, green color and white color you are going to fold it. This way our fan folding is completed. Now you are going to fold this one in the center. See that it is little bit thick, so you have to press with your fingers. It should be correct in the center. Then after coming correct, take a Fevicol, you are going to apply it here, and then you are going to paste that one neatly and press it with the fingers. We are going to make a circle of this one, so then open it, and downside part you are going to paste it in this way. Just check the foldings of all, it should be correct. And then after getting it dry, you are going to fold this part also. Just press it here, so this will go up, and you are going to paste this part also. You are going to make a circle like this. this way. Apply Fevicol here and just paste it both the side. In this way you are going to check all the folds neatly, check it, keep it to dry. The same way you are going to complete the same procedure. You are going to complete with white and with the green. Complete like these circles and keep it. This way our base of lotus flower is completed. Now we are going to come for the flower. Now take a square which we have cut of 9 centimeter. Now please pay your attention. This is very important because all the flowers of orange, small square and a white color, you are going to complete that one in a same procedure. First fold we are going to make a triangle. Press it neatly. Check all the corners, it should be correct. Then this will be the second fold. Your triangle will be like this. Then this is the third fold. Now after third fold, be careful that after folding this one you are getting the triangle. Now this corner you are going to bring it here. Again I am telling, after third fold, this corner you are going to bring it here like a cone. You are going to make it like a cone like this, and then you are going to, with the help of scissor, you are going to cut the petal slowly and neatly till the line in this way, and just open it. And this extra part will be, just open this one. You are going to get the flower like this. Now what you are going to do is, you are going to cut more than half in each petal. More than half, not full, but more than half. Equally you are going to cut in between the petals, slowly and neatly. And then for all the flowers you are going to do the same work, and you are going to complete all the flowers. Then we are going to paste it together. See the petals, more than half we have cut it. Now what you are going to do is that one by one you are going to fold the petals in this way. Got it? In this way, one petal we have completed. Again the second one side to that one. Please come till the center point, press it, open it. Then third, same way for all the petals you are going to press it to the back side for all the petals. The same technique you are going to use for all the flowers of white and orange. The small square of 6 centimeter will be the same four petals, and 9 centimeter of orange same way, and the white of 11 centimeter square 4. This way we are going to complete all the flowers and we are going to keep it. In this way all the flowers are ready now. Now we are going to arrange them in a lotus flower. Now first take orange circle, then on that one apply Fevicol here in the center. You are going to put Fevicol neatly more so that the more Fevicol should be right. Then white will come on that one. See, the center should come there neatly. Keep the circle, white circle on the orange correct in the center. Then again apply Fevicol here, and then
spread the Fevicol little bit, and then this green will come same way the center of the white. This is the base of our lotus flower. Please press it. Now after that we are going to arrange the flowers on that one. Now see the way how we are arranging the flower. This is the white petals which we have made. Now the side which we have folded, each petal we have folded downside. After folding it downside, we are going to turn it, and the folded part upside this will come. Now the same way, no, first we will make it here. First we will make a flower, then we are going to arrange that one on this one. Now see here, this is the first base. The second one, the gap between two petals, this petal will come here. In the center it will be the gap between two petals. This petal will arrange. We are going to arrange here the same way. The same again, in the center Fevicol will come. Again this petal we are going to arrange in between these two petals. So go on pasting all the petals. Then third, 4 petals of white, 4 flowers of white petals. First it will come. See the center, it should come correctly on the center this way. Now 9 centimeter orange color flower, the same procedure how we have folded. That side it is going to come up. Drop the Fevicol here, and then again in between these two petals, the orange petal we have to arrange in this way. The same way all the petals we are going to arrange one by one upon one. In this way our lotus flower is ready. Now we are going to paste that one on the base which we have kept it ready. In the center it will come, a correct center you have to see, and you are going to paste the lotus on that. This way our national lotus flower in tricolor is completed. Speaking about freedom, Mahatma Gandhi has said, "Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living?" On this pretty moment, I would like to sing the best national patriotic song. Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shashya Shamala Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Joshna Fulkit Yamini, Fulla Kusumita Drumudal Shobhini, Suhashini Sumudhur Bhashini, Sukhdham Vardham Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Thank you.